Okay, we're getting ready to put the feeder in there.
I actually need to put some in this other one too.
Okay, you want to go ahead and...
Yeah,
This is the one we brought in last night before last, and it's got a feeder in it. This is a smaller hive. It's about a third the size of that one. And we're going to put some juice in there. Give them something to work on.
1-to-1 sugar water.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I can't really see.
That's perfect.
About half?
No, keep going. That's good. That's good. Because the other hive needs more. All right. And you got these little cups that go on top. Yeah, center that. Yeah. Got these off Amazon if anybody wants to know.
Rapid round.
Rapid round. And that's all we got right now is that. Yep. Slide that back forward. Slide it back forward. Yeah, you good. Yep.
It's real movable there.
Yeah, I know. It ain't waxed. I just made them yesterday. Okay. And these are the swarms calm down a lot. You can get it set up. Mm-hmm. It's 1-to-1 sugar water, rapid round. I'll drop that in there. This is our first time doing it. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of haters. Just send it on. We'll learn from it. Did you snap it down or does it just sit on there?
It's loose.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, then you got that. I think your lid will sit flush with that, so that's probably not going to do any good having that there. Yeah, take that off.
Put some more shims?
Nah, because that'll open the top of the hive. Just take it off for now. Yeah, we'll come up with something next week.